Hello, I'm Don Unkefer here, and I'm here to explain affiliate marketing for beginners. I'm going to try to explain that in plain English for you. Affiliate marketing is where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. An affiliate link links to products or services from the company, and they lead back to the products that you're selling. Here's an affiliate link right here that I have. If I go here and highlight it, it'll take you to Anthony Morrison's sales page. This will be the actually webinar page that you'll go to for Anthony Morrison's webinar page. What's great about affiliate marketing is you don't have to create a product. You don't have to have service creation. You don't have to create the service. You don't have to be the expert in the field. All you have to do is send people to this link, and then that does all the selling for you. The company requires a customer, you acquire a commission, and the customer, they get what they want. To where you do not have to create a product or service. So it's like a win-win-win for everybody. I'll show you over here about Amazon. If you go to Amazon.com, you can become an associate, an affiliate of theirs by clicking right here, become an affiliate. So when you click on the become an affiliate, it brings you down to a page like this that shows you your sales and how many clicks you got to your orders. Well, you can tell that mine doesn't have anything on it. I've not really used my Amazon affiliate program. But Amazon affiliates, if you just go and type it in on Amazon affiliates, Amazon affiliate program right here. Oh, it has me signed in, that's why. So this is our website. You can earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader, which is Amazon. If you sell these Echoes and Fire devices, you can get 7% back. You can get 7% back on fashion, shoes, 10% back on luxury beauty items, 8% back on furniture, home, and garden, 5% on digital music and videos, 8% on the Kindle Fire devices. Basically, you get a fee from Amazon just for sending people to their store. Whenever they buy, then they get cookied, which they get a cookie that lasts for 24 hours. So any sales that are made within that 24 hours, those go to you and go through you from an affiliate link, just like the one I showed you earlier. So you can make up to 10% on any sales that you make on somebody's whole order. It goes for the whole order, and it goes for a 24-hour period of time. So that's pretty cool. You can make free money just using Amazon associates. And here's another site that you can go to. You can go to clickbank.com. You can create an account here. This is the account information. Just put your name, put your banking information so they can send you money whenever you make a sale, and your account information. You go to their actual site, ClickBank. This is it. You can go to any one of these: business, investing, computers, cooking, whatever you're interested in. I'm just going to go to health and fitness. Health and fitness right here is the flat belly fix. As you can see, the initial sale price of this item, whenever they first make a sale, it's $36.68. The average percentage of sales that they make is 77%. Average retail bill is like if they do resales and they come back, is like 36 cents. So that's not a really good rebuild. But the rebuild percentage is only at 1%, that's why. And this gravity right here score shows you how high and likely it is to actually make sales. Out of like the next like 1,000 people, there's 201 people that are making sales on this. And if you go down here, there's other products here, like this fat decimator system. It has an average rebuild of $24.49, and the average rebuild is at 63%. So a lot of people actually purchase this not just one time, but multiple times. It has a pretty high gravity score too of $179. So I'd say that this one is probably one of your better items that you can go and sell if you're looking to get into the weight loss industry. This is their sales page right here to try to get people to buy. So you'd be sending people to their sales page. Whenever you try to leave, they set up a pop-up ad to try to get your information, get your email address. So it's basically like you're joint venturing with a company. Whenever you do affiliate marketing, you don't have to have any overhead or expenses associated with creating your own product or business. Like I said, Amazon Associates you can cookie the other person's computer for 24 hours whenever they visit from your link. So any sales that are made within 24 hours go to you. You don't have to ship the product to the customer. The company does that for you if it's a physical product, or they can do for the digital products. They do that instantly. So that's basically all I wanted to show you about affiliate marketing and what affiliate marketing does. See, like I said, this affiliate link, when you click it, it'll send you over to a webinar page. And that's my webinar. That's the product that I'm endorsing, Anthony Morrison and his ambassador program. You can make up to $997 every time you make a sale per commission. That's pretty good. And you get back to Amazon Associates. Like I said, you can get 10% advertising fee with Amazon. They have all the categories down here that you can go to. And they have, so you just go to all categories. Just go to, click here to join for free. And you get a percentage of every sale that you make, which is pretty awesome. You can make free money just by using Amazon. Up to 10% based on the area that you're selling. So yeah, and if you go to ClickBank here, just say you wanted to advertise one of these products. All you have to do is go and promote, click promote. You can put a tracking ID down here if you want to. Like if you're trying to sell it on a certain site like YouTube, put YouTube in there. And excuse me, generate the link right here. This is the link that you'll send your customers to. So you just send them to this link, and that'll send them right to the product that has your ID attached to it. So you'll get credit when you make the sale. And that's it. That's basically everything I wanted to show you in this video. So I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, see you next time. Bye.